Welcome to this stunning two-story residence located in the highly desirable Northwest Fort Wayne area. Step inside to an open concept floor plan designed for entertaining and everyday living alike. The heart of the home is the chef's kitchen, featuring sleek quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry, and plenty of space to prep and gather. Adjacent to the kitchen, the cozy den offers the perfect spot for a home office or peaceful retreat. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft, ideal for playroom, media area, or flex space to fit your lifestyle. With 4 roomy bedrooms and 2.5 beautifully finished bathrooms, there's space for everyone. The primary suite features a generous walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bath for a touch of everyday indulgence. Outside, enjoy a large patio that invites you to relax and entertain or take in the outdoors. Located in the friendly, family-oriented neighborhood just minutes from the Pufferbelly Trail, this home perfectly balances convenience, comfort, and community charm. Don't miss your chance to make this move-in ready home yours. Call Shannon McClure today for more details.